Mark, is this just all about trade now? Is that what's dictating market moves?
I would say yes, but I think the market really made a statement today in not selling off, given the fact that there was kind of a pessimistic outlook from China on whether or not this phase one deal was going to happen. But I do think phase one is pretty much completely priced in. I do think you have to see a phase one deal. I don't know that China right now has the incentive to get it done that they did a couple weeks ago. I think Elizabeth Warren slipping in the polls is causing them to rethink their strategy. But yes, I do think trade is it's front and center.
Mark Luschini, what do you think about this market right now and how dominant the trade phase one possibilities are to the moves we've seen?
Well, Morgan, I think it's undeniable that it is dominant, certainly. And should we see that perhaps, which is a movie we've seen before play out, where there's some relapse in the talks relative to actually getting this phase one down payment on the negotiations, that would certainly clip the market pretty well. But at the same time, obviously, we have the seasonal factor here where the setup is for a Santa Claus rally into year end. There's the FOMO principle that's alive and well. And we know a lot of investors are either underinvested or have been on the wrong side of the trade so far this year. And so there's a bit of a catch up phase to be had. And in addition to that, I think importantly, including China, but beyond as well, is just indications that growth abroad is beginning to stabilize. They're still tentative. They're not uniform, but I think collectively we're starting to see enough positive signs that improvement is at hand. And if that's the case, that'll go a long way to soothing fears that the backdrop for corporate earnings, particularly for U.S. multinationals, is going to weaken. Instead, perhaps it bolsters the case that 2020 earnings expectations, which are still expected to be up over 8.5% year over year, can be realized.